Hey folks, stick with me for a couple minutes on this drive. I have some great info to share. Welcome back to Roseland, guys. Thanks for joining me on our first day of summer trip. I'd like to wish everyone a colorful Pride Month and a fabulous start to summer 2021. I have some great info to share, some great drone footage, and even some nightlife, so stick around to the end. Let's start off by taking a stroll down Nolte Lane to Roberts Ridge. There's a few key places of interest along this main central road. That big red barn is Town Hall. I'll cover more about it here in a minute. This blue house on my left is the guest house, which offers 3 distinct rooms with an old farm feel. Across the way is Rose Hall, which offers 4 additional spacious rooms. The granary next door has 7 unique rooms and an army-style barracks. Town Hall on my right is where you check in and check out. Town Hall's main level includes a general store, a full bar, a pizza shop, game room, and a hayloft lounge. The lower level is the camper bath facility. That's open 24/7. If you're interested in just checking out Roseland to get a good feel of the resort, they offer individual day passes for $25. This area we're walking through is Oak Ridge North, and we'll soon be strolling down Roberts Ridge area. Roberts Ridge has 2 hiking trails that you can access. One trail leads to Knob Hill, where the residence is located. The other hiking trail circles back around to the ruins area. Welcome to 829 Red Oak Drive. This is the Oak Ridge South area. Joe and I visited Roseland in September 2015 and immediately fell in love with the resort. We bought our trailer, had it placed on this hillside lot, and encased it with a roof and deck before Thanksgiving rolled around. We needed a sanctuary we could escape to. Roseland welcomed us with open arms and were proud members of the Roseland seasonal family. If you ever pass by, stop and say hello. Let's take a bird's eye view of the Oak Ridge South area, where I'm at, and the Oak Ridge North area just up the hillside. Now let's take that stroll down Red Oak Drive towards the flats. You'll see a few of the deluxe cabins along this quiet path. The deluxe cabins are pretty spacious. Just over this hill on my right is the pond, with a gazebo at the foot of it. Roseland has over 20 cabins, ranging from sleeper types to deluxe. Along the left here are more tent sites, each with a picnic table, fire ring, and water and electric at select locations. There are nearly 60 tent sites throughout Roseland. At the end of Red Oak Drive is a hiking trail access that leads to the Robert Ridge area. On the hilltop there is the residence and another deluxe cabin alongside. Roseland consists of 222 acres and 11 miles of hiking trails. This west side view from the drone does not capture all of Roseland. Nonetheless, it does provide a good perspective of how open, spacious, and large Roseland really is. The natural beauty of Roseland makes for a vacation experience absolutely unlike any other in the entire United States. At Roseland, it's all about the view. All right, guys, let's take a disco nap before tonight's partying by the pool. Since the pandemic, the Nightlife has moved from Town Hall's dance club to the pool area. Hang out with friends at the poolside bar and dance under the moon to a live DJ. Be sure to visit roselandwv.com for more information. That's it for me, guys. Happy Pride.